Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the clasp type and securing the watch face down on a soft cloth. This prevents scratches and keeps tiny parts from bouncing. Use the spring bar tool to depress the bar or the small screwdriver to loosen visible screws, because removing tension makes the clasp accessible. Once done, place removed screws and bars into a parts tray and inspect pins for wear. This tells you whether to clean, adjust, or replace components before reassembly. You now remove hinge pins or screws sequentially, keeping note of orientation so reassembly is straightforward. Take quick photos if unsure. Clean residues with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush, because grime often causes stiffness and poor engagement. If pins appear bent or spring bars are fatigued, swap them for identical replacements. Make sure to apply a tiny amount of watch lubricant to pivot points to restore smooth action without attracting dirt. You reassemble the clasp by reversing your disassembly steps, ensuring each pin or screw seats in its original hole and tightening just enough for secure fit. Over-tightening can strip threads. Once assembled, open and close the clasp 10 to 15 times to check engagement, alignment, and tension. This repeated motion reveals intermittent issues. If the clasp skips or binds, adjust the pin position slightly or swap in a new spring bar. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.